Deadline for tax return approaching. Stay informed and avoid penalties.
For New Year's festivities behind us, it's prime time for a less celebrated season, tax filing. If you have squared away your tax return, take a bow. For those of you leaving it until the last minute, you're in for an exciting race against time.
Deadline calendar. Quick recap for UK taxpayers. Paper tax returns are expected by 31 October. Online returns get a stretch until 31 January. Stray beyond these bounds and penalties await. Key tax dates and actions. If you're a freelancer or have recently received a substantial windfall subject to capital gains tax, note that October 5th is the critical deadline to register for self-assessment. Deadline depths and details. If you file your return by paper, not recommended, you have until 31st October. Online filers get an extension until 31st January. Any tax due must also be paid by 31 January. Don't forget to register.
You must register for self-assessment if you're a self-employed earning over £1,000, a partner in a business, a company director, or if you have untaxed income from property, savings, investments, or foreign sources.
Payments on account.
Payments on account are 2 half-yearly advance payments towards your next UK self-assessment tax bill, based on your last year's liability. You're required to make these payments by January 31st and July 31st unless your previous year's tax was under £1,000 or 80% was deducted at source.
Late submission, a domino of penalties.
If you file your UK tax return late, you'll incur an immediate £100 fine with further penalties and interest on both taxes owed and penalties increasing over time. Submit your tax return on time to avoid these escalating charges.
Tax filing sorted, tips and tricks. Mark the January 31st deadline on your calendar and start gathering all necessary documents well ahead of time. Consider using digital accounting software or seeking professional help from an accountant like us to streamline the process and ensure accuracy. In the event of a tax problem,
Struggling to navigate the complexities of tax issues? Help is at hand from charitable tax organisations, official HMRC guidance, and our expert team. We provide superior personal tax return services online, delivering a seamless and friendly process that sets us apart.